So in this problem here, we're asked to use the factor theorem to show that x minus 2 is a factor of this equation here. So if we take the factor, x minus 2, make it equal to 0, find x, it gives us x is equal to 2. Then we go ahead and plug that into all the x's here. So it becomes p of 2, so instead of x we're putting 2 inside, is equal to 2 to the power 3, which is 8, plus 2 to the power 2, which is 4, minus 10 times 2, which is 20, plus 8. Plug these in and you get a value of 0. So yes, indeed, this is a factor of this. It means this divides into this, which goes on to part B. Part B says, hence, express Px as a product of three linear factors. What it means is, this is identical to x plus 2, and two more factors, call them a and b, x plus a, x plus b. We have this already, we now want to get this 2 here, so we have all three linear factors. When you multiply these three, you get this again. One of the easiest ways to find the other two factors is to use long division. Now, long division is when we take our original equation, which is x to the power 3, x squared minus 10x plus 8, and then we divide by one of the factors that we have, any factor. We only have this one here, we don't have these two. Let's go ahead and divide by that one there. Now, the way that we're going to do a long division is as follows. First of all, we're going to start dividing this by this. So this divided by this is x squared. Then multiply back down here, x squared times x is x to the power 3. Then multiply that by that, you get minus 2x squared. That's the first step. You can see we've set this up. Always subtract them. That should always be a 0. X squared minus minus makes plus, so x squared plus 2x squared is 3x squared. Drop this down here, minus 10x, and start the process again, just like you did with the beginning. 3x squared divided by x is plus 3x. Multiply that out, you should get the same thing there. What you won't be the same is this here, minus 6x. That should always be 0. Subtract, don't forget. Minus 10x minus minus makes plus, minus 10x plus 6x is minus 4x. Final one, drop the plus 8, minus 4x plus 8, so minus 4x divided by x is minus 4. Multiply back out. Now this time, both of them should be 0. 0, 0, because this is a factor, so when you divide it you should always get 0, no remainder. What's that's given us? It's given us all of this, but it's given us it in a quadratic form. So this is identical to x plus 2, x squared plus 3x minus 4. Next step, we have to make that into two brackets, so we have our final thing. The way we do that is factorization, just like before. Two numbers that multiply to give minus 4, add to give 3. Now, those two numbers are going to be minus 1 and plus 4. So, bring that down, x plus 2, factorize this, as I said, x minus 1, x plus 4. Those are the two numbers. When you multiply them, you get minus 4. You add them, you get positive 3. Put them in a bracket, and now you have your three linear factors.